Hello, people. Hello, yes, me, Anger Doge. Spelled wrong purposely. Hello, people. Today I am going to review Flamingo videos, alright? So, I'm just gonna, go to him. Got it. Videos. Sort by date added oldest. Alright. And full screen. I'm gonna give my full review on this when it loads. I don't want the ads. Ads, yeah, it'll be in there, so what? I will be. Oh god. Get a moment to increase the quality, so. Yeah, boy! Alright, I'm just gonna let it play. It'll get higher qualities at some point. Oh crap, I forgot about seeing this video. I've seen every single one of Flamingo's videos. Why are there so many YouTubers? There's two, or they're both the same one. I don't know.
Try it, Linda. Stupid Linda.
Yes, Flamingo is Salt Man. Really? Coming? No. When I was recording another video, I hit my head. I love how it sounds like every. I love how that sounded like every artificial help ever. It's just like help. Sure, saying that sounded like it. Like weird. All right, continue video and go. Man, I loved this old app and map. New one is okay. Yeah, okay, my webcam is right here, so I'm now looking at it. That should be pretty obvious now, but not that obvious. Obvious, okay. I'm tired. Okay, this quarantine has gotten me tired, like, ruined my sleep schedule. Alright, back to the video.
Oh my goodness! Get in! I don't know. No, your car is mine. I'm gonna get into my own car. Get
cafe. Which kind of cafe?
Man,
Cafe.
as these rip talking.
Cafe.
Hola, Nini. Let's go. Right, before we get to the edge, you have to jump out, okay? Okay?
Yeah.
Oh, God. Oh, they survived, man. All that happened here is I lost my car.
You gotta go back in.
Okay.
Gotta go scuba diving for it.
This was the worst idea ever.
Art class is back when you go there.
Art. Wait. This is me in art. Wait, this is me in art. Ignore this. I was making a, this was artificial. I'm just gonna move it. That was for, my group. It's called the Lost Flames. This is me at art. I'm just gonna draw a flamingo really quick. Just a flamingo. No, I want a brush. Brushes. I'm gonna move this over here. Marker. It's way too thick. I'm gonna draw an outline. I'm like 38. Flamingo! That's what I'm drawing. Milk. The milk that my dad went to go. Yeah, this is a flamingo. Yeah, I think it's safe to say I wouldn't pass art. This is just gonna be every other reaction video. Nobody's gonna watch it because it's just boring.
Man, I'm the coolest kid in class with my fidget spinner. Check me out.
I'm actually cutting this video right now.
Come by.
Look, as soon as I sit down, she jumps out of it.
Yeah, she hates you. She's gone. She knew that.
She's just standing. Yeah, that's just her new seat. Her new seat is just the table.
Pencil boy. Do your work.
No, I won't do my work. No. You just gotta break your hand to actually just properly hold the pencil.
I'm the teacher. Everybody sit down. Today I'm
Oh,
going to teach you how to be
never mind.
a fidget spinner master. Everybody. Bye.
Are you a salesperson or a teacher? This is your side hustle. It's always put that way. I think this guy is.
I know, he's cute.
Well, I'm 4 minutes in to the flamingo video, and my video is almost 9 minutes long, so I'm just gonna butcher down the video until this point. Yeah, when I did watch it, this was a really good video. I really liked it. I'm just gonna. And, alright. Alright, goodbye, people. Peace.